It's starting. Do you want to show me what's happening? Share your screen.
Yep.
This mini project's only like a 2 or 3 hour mini project, so it's not too bad.
Yeah, this one actually seems a little more simple.
Thank goodness, since of course I put it off to the last day.
Okay, so can you see it?
Yep.
Okay, so I'm trying to get this inventory to go down to the filter section. Because we can't do that merge cell.
To merge cell.
So I'm confused. But it looks like, does yours look like that? Is there a lot of blanks in yours?
Yep. But my first one is not that big.
This one right here, this top one?
Let me see. Months and the yearly. No, that's what mine looks like. That's what mine looks like.
And then when you filtered it, does yours look like this when you're done filtering it, that first part?
Yep, it did. Just like
all
that.
January.
Yep, just like that.
So you just went in and just like, because I just went to the sort and filter, and then just like did one after the other.
Yep, that's what I did too. I'll take a picture of your screen, and then later I'll open up mine and make sure that I have the exact same thing, and then text you, and we'll double check.
Okay. And then
Mom, what's that? What's the big thing
Okay.
that I could have that?
Okay. I don't know what's happening where it's saying that about your merge cell.
Yeah, me neither. I don't know. Maybe I'm just gonna unmerge. I have a couple merge cells that are merged for like the titles, and maybe I'll just.
How did you just copy and paste that table down?
Yeah, I just copied this top table and pasted it, and then just switched the information.
That's what I did too. Maybe move everything out of the boxes on the bottom and put them back up at the top.
I just got it to work. I just put it here. It just worked here.
Oh, good.
So I just erased that title that I had first.
Oh, yep.
That helped.
I'm stuck on number 6.
Number 6. I haven't even.
Yeah, I'll
3.
show you the error that I'm getting, and maybe you'll be able to see what I'm doing wrong. Let's see, share screen. And here's my.
How do I?
I'm like, I like the castle on your screen. Have you been to that castle?
Yeah, that was in Belgium.
Oh, did you serve your mission in Belgium?
No, I just went on a family trip there once, so.
Oh, that's very cool. Let's see. Can you see my screen? Can you see my screen?
Yep, now I can.
Okay. The last table is it says calculate the average age of the buyer for each of the 3 makes of cars. So I put make and model in the rows, and then the column should be age of the buyer, right? So I put buyer's age, brought it down, and it said it cannot overlap another pivot table report. Any ideas? Any ideas what I could be doing wrong? Let's take buyer's age. Oops, okay.
I think I can only just try moving. So it worked there.
Yep, that did it.
Oh, because you're underneath the other you're underneath the other pivot table.
Oh, is that what it's meaning?
I think so. I think it's like because the other one it has columns and stuff.
Oh, well, there you go. That totally worked. Average of buyer's age right there for the make and the model. So sweet. Now I just need to retitle it. And then
Oh yeah, you were putting it in the column.
yeah, I was putting it in the column. I get confused very easily.
But you don't want that to be money either.
Yeah, I need to go back, and it says that on here. It says go back and make sure all of your numbers are. Why does it say this right here? Make and model. What the? See that? I need that unchecked. That's weird. Then you have to take this chart and make it into a graph, like a bar graph.
That last chart there.
Yep, the last chart. And it says make sure there's no decimals. So the last step is, yeah, it says create a column graph off to the right of the table that presents the information in the table. Change the title to read the same as the table. And then the last step is like just clean it up, make sure there's no decimal points, make sure the numbers are formatted, and fix the column width at the top because now the columns are all weird. But then it also says when the boss comes in, he always likes to give an award for the salesperson who sold the highest priced car and the lowest priced car. Put in a section below the 6 table that calculates the highest priced car and the lowest priced car. Label that section awards. So do we just do max sales price
just max
and
and
stick
min.
that in? And then just stick the person's name next to it and then label it like awards given or something?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, just label it like awards, and then I don't even know if you have to label the buyer. I think you have to label just or the seller. I think it just says put the
amount.
The max.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, well then that's just going to be max and minimum, and we highlight the sales price column, right?
Yeah.
But separately? Okay. Then I think I'm good to go with the rest. How can I help you? Do you have any questions?
Let's see, what am I on? I'm just on I mean, I think it's pretty straightforward. I just want to make sure that we all get the same like
information.
numbers.
I know. So here's what I have for the top. Is that what yours looks like?
Okay, yeah. Months across, and then all the sum, and you have the make and model on there again, which is weird.
I do. Should I not?
I don't have that one on mine.
Well, this is the first one.
First
table. It says by make and by model. Calculate the sales dollar for each month and total sales.
I'm just saying, I only have the Ford. I only have Ford, Honda, and Toyota, and then you have.
Oh, I see what you're saying. I've got that make and model thing again. So I got to go into this and do make. Why is it doing that?
I don't know. Mine's not doing that.
That's weird. Okay, well, I fixed it, but that's weird. Thanks for catching that. Let's see. Do I have it on anything else? Sales by inventory. I'm like, oh, I see what it means by the widths are all like funky funk.
Oh, so you did it like side by side.
Yeah. What are you doing?
Well, I was just going like vertical because the first one goes really far across and the second one goes really far across.
Yeah, that's true.
So I was just going to keep going down with them. You have to scroll no matter what on yours, right?
Yeah, I have to scroll down.
Okay, yeah.
My friend who is in this class said that her professor told them he prefers to scroll only down and not across.
Yeah, makes sense.
So that's why I'm stacking mine all on top of each other, kind of a thing. So, okay, well, I think those first couple that you've done, do they look like mine?
You look like a maniac.
Yeah. Okay.
That one does. Do you have that sales by, that second one, the sales by inventory?
Yep, it's right here. Can you see? On the left, sales by inventory.
Why is mine so much bigger than yours?
I don't know. Let's look. Let's make sure I did it right. Calculate the total sales of the year and average sales price, average sales, sum of sales, by make and model for each store. The store, oh wait.
Well, I guess I have every month here across.
Let's see. Store, make, and model. Sales by inventory. I'm missing the store. I got to add the store in. And you got to take the month off of your columns.
And what do I put there instead?
Oh, it's giving me that stupid error code again. It's not letting me add the store. What do I do? It's giving me that dumb error code again.
Show me. Okay, so now I just have the average of sales prices.
Yeah, but you're right. It should have the sales and it should have the store and for each store. So I need to get the store in my rows, but it's not letting me. So now what do I do? Or maybe I have it here? No.
Just jump. Ready, you'll drop.
Daddy, we're close to you.
Let's go see if we can find a bike part.
I don't know why it's not letting me do that. Maybe if I click on rows, no.
So you need the sum of the sales and the average sales from each.
Yeah, so I just did that down here in the values section. But were you able to get the store in there? Why is it not letting me get the store in there?
Yeah, I was able to, in the rows, I just did store, make, model.
Yeah, why isn't it letting me do that? It's class. I could add it to the inventory and get a little bit of points off.
Yeah, that's weird that it's not letting you.
Yeah, it's giving me that same error that it did on that last one. And then I just kind of moved things around and made it work. So. I don't know what else to try.
I think maybe try moving the whole sales by inventory table, just like moving it.
Like highlighting the whole table?
Like highlighting the whole table and like dragging it somewhere else.
Ooh, I guess I could cut and paste it somewhere.
No, I need to do more sit-ups. No.
Just when you think you're almost done, then you have a little problem like this come along.
Yeah.
It's very annoying. Well, why don't when I get this finished, I will text you a picture of mine and then you check it against yours so we make sure we did them right?
Yeah, I think it should be pretty simple. I mean, you just have to read the charts and copy them over, right?
Yep. But let's check each other's work so we get a good grade.
Yeah, I agree, because I misread the instructions a lot, and so I do the wrong thing. So.
How did you do on Mini Project 13?
Are the grades in?
Yeah, I got my grade back. I got an A on it.
Let's see, Mini Project 13.
That's the one we just did.
Let me look.
We already got graded on it. I was like, that was the fastest grading job ever.
And you're probably 13. My grade's not in yet. They must have got yours done first.
That's weird. That's weird that they didn't do them all together. He's got a flag next to my name because I complain so much.
Yeah.
I've only
Well, I don't
complained
know.
twice, and one of the times they had graded it wrong. So I was right in complaining.
On that last exam, I was emailing him all the time saying, like, this is ridiculous. So
Yeah, it was crazy. It was crazy. Okay, I will shoot you this broadcast, and then let's check each other's work before we turn it in.
okay, perfect.
Shoot me a text if you have any problems.
Okay, you too.
Okay, talk to you later.
Yep. Bye.
Bye, Connor.